Hi everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to save $100 this week and manage your money effectively. Even if you're new to budgeting, these steps are simple to follow. Budgeting is not about limiting your fun. It's about knowing where every dollar goes. When you track your expenses, you realize where you waste money and where you can save. For example, skipping small daily purchases like coffee or snacks can save you $50, $100 in a week. Write down everything you spend for 1 week. Include coffee, snacks, online subscriptions, transportation, and small purchases. This gives you a clear picture of your spending habits. Identify expenses you don't need. Skip one coffee, eat at home, or cancel unused subscriptions. Even small changes add up fast. Set up an automatic transfer to a savings account. Even $2 minus $3 per day adds up to $15 to $20 per week without thinking about it. Celebrate small wins. When you save $20 in a week, treat yourself within budget. This keeps motivation high. Small expenses are the biggest reason people can't save money. Before buying anything non-essential, wait 24 hours. Most impulse purchases disappear after 24 hours. Open your bank app and check all your subscriptions. Cancel everything you don't actively use. I once saved $47 in 1 minute just by canceling subscriptions. The best way to save money is to remove thinking. Set automatic transfers to your savings account. 50% for needs, 30% for wants, 20% for savings. If 20% is hard, start with 5%. Once a week, review your money for 10 minutes. Ask yourself, where did I waste money and where did I save? 50% needs. These are the expenses you must pay to survive. What belongs to the 50% category? House rent or mortgage, light bulb utilities, electricity, gas, water, antenna bars, internet and mobile phone bills, bread, groceries and basic food, taxi transportation, public transport, fuel, hospital medical expenses and medicines, books, school expenses for children, credit card minimum debt or loan payments. Example: if your monthly income is $1,000, right arrow $500 should go to essential expenses. 30% wants, lifestyle expenses. These are expenses you can live without, but they improve your lifestyle. What belongs to the 30% category? Cafes and restaurants, branded clothes and shoes, entertainment, cinema, Netflix, Spotify, new phones and tech accessories, travel and vacations, gifts, cosmetics and personal care. Many people make the mistake of spending 70–80% of their income here. 20% savings and investments. This is the most important part for your future. What belongs to the 20% category? Savings and emergency fund, investments, stocks, ETFs, funds, bank savings or deposit accounts, paying off debt faster, investing in a business, education and skill development. If this category is 0, financial stress is guaranteed. 4 smart financial tips. 1. Pay yourself first. Save 20% immediately when you receive your income. 2. Track your expenses. Use a notes app or budgeting app to see where your money goes. 3. Reduce wants. Increase savings. Turn 30% into 20% and 20% into 30% if possible. 4. Money problems are not income problems. They are management problems. Making money is not hard. Keeping money is what makes you wealthy. If you follow these steps, saving $100 a week is realistic. Subscribe for more weekly money tips.